Electric vehicles, EVs, are gaining immense popularity for their eco-friendly credentials and impressive performance. However, one common concern among EV enthusiasts has been the lack of a spare tire. Conventional vehicles often come equipped with a spare tire, providing peace of mind to drivers in case of a flat tire emergency. But with the constraints of space and weight in EVs, spare tires seem to be an impractical addition until now. Audi, a pioneering name in the automotive industry, has introduced an innovative solution to this problem: the collapsible spare tire. In this video, we'll explore how this clever invention works and why it might just be the answer for spare tire challenges in modern electric cars. EVs are known for their impressive battery technology, but this advancement comes at a price-limited cargo space and the need to manage weight meticulously. The traditional spare tire, while a safety essential, can be bulky and heavy, making it less compatible with the streamlined design and efficiency goals of electric vehicles. Audi has risen to the challenge by introducing a collapsible spare tire, a solution that's garnering attention and applause in the EV world. The collapsible spare tire represents a classic concept brought into the modern era. You may have seen similar designs on Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche products for a while. But let's dive deeper into how this innovation works. The collapsible spare tire is all about space-saving ingenuity. Consider this: a full-size tire on an Audi Q8 takes up a whopping 7,200 cubic inches, while the collapsible spare occupies just 2,700 cubic inches. That's a significant space saving, especially when you're trying to maximize cargo room in your vehicle. As for weight, the collapsible spare tire weighs around 49 pounds, whereas a typical alloy wheel and tire combo can weigh about 64 pounds. So, it's not just space efficient, it's also lighter, which is crucial for EVs aiming to optimize energy consumption. One of the most intriguing aspects of this collapsible spare tire is its ability to be inflated and deflated as needed. Unlike traditional spare tires, which are single-use and must be replaced after being used, the collapsible spare can be reused. The inflation process is straightforward. Instead of using a slow pump, you can inflate it through a unique valve stem. This stem has a distinct feature. Its top is shaped like a small cylinder and has a slit in it, allowing you to remove the valve from the stem itself. This is how you collapse the spare tire to put it back in your vehicle. It's a reusable solution, which is a game changer for EV owners. While the collapsible spare tire offers a clever solution to the spare tire problem in EVs, it's important to understand its limitations. Like most temporary spare tires, it has a maximum speed limit of 50 miles per hour. This is due to its different materials and tread design, which are not as robust as those found in regular tires. While it may not provide the same level of traction in wet or snowy conditions, it's undoubtedly better than having no spare tire at all. Audi's collapsible spare tire is a remarkable innovation that addresses a long-standing issue in the world of electric vehicles. Its space-saving design, reusability, and weight efficiency make it a promising solution for modern EEVs. While other EV manufacturers have yet to adopt similar collapsible and expandable spare tires, Audi's ingenuity shows that there is a viable path forward. As EV technology continues to evolve, innovations like these will play a crucial role in making electric vehicles even more practical and convenient for everyday use. As the automotive industry continues to embrace electric mobility, we can expect more creative solutions like Audi's collapsible spare tire to emerge, further enhancing the appeal and functionality of EVs. So, the next time you're driving an EV, know that even in the absence of a conventional spare tire, there's an ingenious collapsible alternative ready to save the day. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content.